Here we are in the bungalow basement. I think we'll start calling it the bungalow cave. And the first thing we're doing is jacking up the center of the house. I know I keep saying that, but this house seems like several of the properties we buy, every one needs jacking up. So we're doing it. And this one will go up easy. Really should go up real easy. I've already cut 4 posts. May have some video on them, I don't remember. Big ones. We're also pulling up the rug. It was kind of an outdoor carpet. And you can see, well, I don't know, it's kind of it's a thin carpet, 1/4 inch. Not really outdoor, but very tough. You can see where it was painted at one point. You can see where it literally will kind of fray up. And kind of weird over here. It's even indented right there. Kind of weird, but I mean, otherwise it's solid. I mean, it's not going anyplace. It's good and solid. It's just painting it would not really be an option as far as I can see because it'd flake off. Got some damage right here. So what we're doing is we're going right over top of it with 1-inch granite and quartz and whatever else I can get at the where they throw them away. Unfortunately, good connections there for this, and beautiful stuff. Just love the colors. I try to go for variety. There's a wild one right here, and then we got these. I mean, it's really just really dynamic, whole variety of them. So we're putting that down, jacking it up. We're going to be fixing the shelves over there. We have a mouse problem. They got in here over the winter and went to town on the sunflower seeds. Still a good sized bag there. We've also started stacking up pieces over here. It's much darker. Yeah, you probably can't see this, but we have some pieces over here. And then we got underneath the stairs here. We removed all the paneling and particle board, and we're going to pull this out, and eventually we'll be rebuilding the stairs. They kind of run right into the chimney here. I don't know if you can tell that, but kind of a design someone wasn't thinking ahead, I guess. So I've always wanted to do a semicircle, and we'll put some posts in there and do that whole thing. For now, the furnace will stay where it is, and we'll continue using that. But who knows? Maybe down the road there'll be a heat pump put into place. Not sure. And eventually we're going to redo the whole electric. So there's a lot we're going to do down here. I'm kind of excited about getting it started. And we're going to keep jacking up so we can finish off more rooms upstairs. That's the first priority right now.